Hey, my name is Ikenna. I'm going to show you guys how to take care of your leather sneakers and shoes. So let's get into it. All right, so what you're going to need is a glove to use the polish and some products. So I use Saphir products on all of my shoes that are leather. So the Saphir Renovateur cream, the Saphir polish, the black color, and you're going to need a brush and a Q-tip as well as a paper towel to clean the shoe before and prep the surface. First thing, we're gonna take the laces off the shoes, of course, so let's do that really quick. Laces go into a little bit of bleaching detergent, dry rub off any dirt, wet rub off any sticky stuff on your shoes. Brush, brush, brush. Now we're getting ready to hit it with the Renovateur cream, which is pretty much a moisturizer. Leather is skin, so you have to put a little bit of lotion on there. So we're going to moisturize the leather now. I'm using the Q-tip just to hit the little curves and corners and the crevices to get a little bit of that moisturizer in there. I do the same thing with the tinted polish as well. Once you put on the cream, you let your shoes sit for a little bit until it dries, and then your shoes become this matte color. That's normal. We're just going to brush it off, and it's going to start to have some more shine to it. Just brush, 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 and then it's going to start shining a lot more. You can see the difference a lot clearer here on the black leather boots. The one on the left has a lot more shine. All right, so here we are with just the first step done with the Renovateur cream, and we've already got the shoe looking way better, less ashy than it was when we first started. Next up, we're gonna add the black polish. So this is gonna bring back that deep black color to your shoes. And same process, we're gonna use just your hands. So same thing, we're gonna add it to the black parts of the shoe, trying to avoid the suede. Super easy on this one, but definitely avoid the suede on this. So let's do it. Same steps as with the cream. Once you put the polish on, your shoe is going to be more of a matte color. You just hit it with the brush a couple times, and the shine just comes out almost immediately. The final touch is alcohol swab on the midsole, take off any polish, and then suede brush on the suede to lift it up. And there you have it. Your shoes are back to its beautiful, shiny black leather color, and you learned a skill that you can use for the rest of your life. If you liked the video, definitely, hit the like button, and we'll see you next time.